at the beautiful sea. With a beautiful girl like me. Yes. So guys, I'm back again. Like I never left. Now we're in the boat. You can see. This is Victoria. This is Ivana. So I've got to go on a boat cruise. Ride with us. Let's see how it feels like. You wanna know? Join me. I know you want to join us, but I'm sorry guys.
Guys, she just take over my channel today. Look at this beautiful face. Go and subscribe, like and share to see more of their faces, okay?
Yeah, that's Ivana. Look at the view. It's so beautiful. Yeah. The view is so beautiful.
Nice for life.
Yeah.
Allow me to enjoy
So
myself.
we'll be moving by 8 o'clock and it's 1.5 journey, right? Yeah, 1.5 ride. We'll be in the boat for 1 hour 30 minutes for a ride. I can't wait to feel this cool breeze in my body.
And guys, she's doing it very well. So very soon, she's going to open a YouTube channel, okay? So I'm going to be leaving a link down so you go and subscribe for her, okay?
I wish I could.
She's doing it very well. I'm
so
going to
lazy.
teach her to edit though. I'm not perfect, but you need to I know.
Guys, I'm so lazy when it comes to editing or doing anything. I know I'm just a lazy type. But I'm thinking about it though. So stay tuned and watch how we're gonna be feeling this beautiful. This what is it called? It's called what? Sky blue, right? Yeah, we're flying on the sky blue.
Fly blue. Fly blue.
Okay, fly blue. Flying on the fly blue.
Not a fly blue.
We'll be flying in the fly blue. Wow! Look at the rhymes. Flying in the fly blue. Oh my gosh!
Our jacket is blue.
Everything is blue.
Mascara blue.
Wow! The blue sea.
The blue goes.
Alright, see you guys again. Mwah.
So guys, our boat just take off. Ooh, we're going. We just move now, guys. Guys, check the view. We just move now. Look, so beautiful. Wow, it's so nice. Ooh.
Now go finish this. So guys, here we are. My makeup has shifted.
Hey guys, I'm here.
Yeah, look at us guys. Just look at the view. Come this way guys, come to my back. Let's show them the view. Okay. Yeah, girl. Look at the beautiful sea. With a beautiful girl like me. Yes. Wow.